Arch Linux versus Zorin OS. Which Linux distribution is better? Choosing the right Linux distribution can completely change how you experience your operating system without unnecessary complexity. Arch Linux offers customization, while Zorin OS focuses on user-friendliness. Arch Linux and Zorin OS are two popular Linux distributions with distinct approaches. Arch Linux is a minimalist, highly customizable system for advanced users, while Zorin OS provides a polished, beginner-friendly interface designed for users transitioning from Windows or Mac OS. Arch Linux is a lightweight and flexible Linux distribution built around simplicity and user control. It uses a rolling release model, meaning software updates are continuous and up-to-date. Arch is installed from the ground up, giving users complete control over what components and software to include. It works by providing a minimal base system and allowing users to build their environment through the command line and the Arch user repository. Its strengths lie in customization, up-to-date software, and a strong community with extensive documentation. However, Arch requires advanced Linux knowledge and manual setup, which can be time-consuming and challenging for newcomers. It does not come with a pre-configured desktop environment, so users must install and configure everything themselves. Arch Linux is ideal for power users, developers, and enthusiasts who want full control over their system and enjoy learning Linux internals, while tailoring the OS to their specific needs. Zorin OS is a user-friendly Linux distribution designed to ease the transition for users coming from Windows or Mac OS. It features a polished desktop environment with a familiar layout, pre-installed essential software, and easy access to additional applications through its software center. Zorin OS works by providing a stable Ubuntu-based system with customizations that enhance usability and aesthetics. Its strengths include simple installation, intuitive interface, and compatibility with a wide range of hardware and software. Zorin OS also offers a light version for older computers, making it accessible for diverse users. However, it is less customizable than Arch Linux and follows a fixed release cycle, which means software updates are less frequent. Zorin OS is ideal for beginners, casual users, and those who want a ready-to-use Linux experience without the need to configure or troubleshoot extensively. Choosing between Arch Linux and Zorin OS depends on your experience and needs. Arch Linux suits users who want full control, frequent updates, and a deep understanding of Linux. It excels in customizability but demands time and technical skills. For example, developers or Linux enthusiasts benefit from Arch's flexibility and the extensive Arch wiki for troubleshooting. On the other hand, Zorin OS appeals to users seeking a smooth, Windows-like experience with minimal setup. It's perfect for newcomers or those prioritizing ease of use and stability over customization. While Arch requires manual configuration, Zorin OS provides a polished desktop out of the box. The trade-off is between control and convenience. Arch Linux offers power and learning opportunities, whereas Zorin OS delivers accessibility and immediate productivity. Choose Arch Linux if you want a highly customizable, cutting-edge system and have the technical skills to manage a hands-on Linux experience. Opt for Zorin OS if you prefer a user-friendly, stable Linux distribution that works well on various hardware and offers a familiar interface. It's the best choice for beginners and those who want a hassle-free Linux desktop experience.